How to let only A&M users connect to online lecture and meetings. The first option is going to tamu.zoom.us and signing in using your NetID and password. The second option is going to Howdy and log in with your NetID to get started. Then select the Zoom icon. Select Sign In. If you already scheduled your online lecture meeting and need to change the option to require all the students authenticate before joining the meeting, please click on your meeting's name under the Meeting tab. Once inside, you can edit the options for that specific meeting. Scroll down the page to the bottom and select Edit this meeting. Scroll down the page and check only authenticated users can join. Then select Save. If you need to schedule a new online lecture meeting, go to Meetings, then Schedule a meeting, fill out the information for your meeting, like your topic and a description. In this example, we are showing you how to create a recurring online lecture or meeting that will have an unique meeting ID. Scroll down the page. You can require a meeting password. Don't forget to share it with your students. And under Meeting Options, check only authenticated users can join. Scroll down the page and select Save. Thank you for watching. For more information, email us at helpdesk@tamug.edu.